kami nagpapasalamat na pinaunlakan niyo ang aming imbitasyon para sa ating maliit na salo-salo ngayong hapong ito. At lalong-lalo na kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtaguyod sa Sentrong Pangkultura ng Pilipinas at sa inyong suporta na rin sa inyong lingkod sa aking unang taong bilang Pangulo ng CCP. Maraming salamat. I think we can't express it often enough how important your role is in the success of the CCP. Your role is truly invaluable. Media doesn't just report our programs. Media helps shape conversations, connect communities, and amplify voices. Your coverage has been pivotal in helping us reach more and more audiences, something we deeply value as our main building goes into another year of rehabilitation. Alam ko yun ang tanong ninyong lahat, kailan ba matatapos ang CCP? Wala rin kaming sagot. Ang ating goal is November of 2026. Matatapos natin ang main theater natin. But throughout this period of rehabilitation, you have been our allies in letting the country know that the CCP continues its work in promoting and preserving the very best of Filipino arts and culture. This period has been challenging, but it has also provided us with the opportunity to let the Filipino people know that the CCP is not just a building. The CCP is a breathing, living institution. The CCP is the PPO outreach concerts in places from Davao to Pampanga. The CCP is our educational projects from Jensan to Bulacan, and all our many projects all over the country. The CCP is everywhere. But enough of that. Tonight is about celebrating friendships, camaraderie, and embracing the holiday season. Relax, have a drink, and enjoy the spread that we have prepared for you. Again, thank you for your support and inspiring and motivating us to do our best in serving the Filipino people. We look forward to continue working together in 2025. Maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat.